At the accident scene, they might say, it's my fault, I'm sorry. The next day, they're saying, it's your fault, and you should be sorry.
Everybody's very apologetic. Some people are quicker to accept liability than others. They then have time to think about it.
24 hours after an accident occurs, people will change their stories totally.
They report it to their insurance company claims adjuster reads it a different way and initially denies liability.
So it's extremely important, even though I know the accident just happened, to make sure that you look around and see if anybody else saw it. And you try to get names and phone numbers. Because more often than not, people will stop at the scene, they'll make sure everybody's okay, they'll see what happened, and they'll leave. And no one knows who they are, and that person is oftentimes a key to deciding who was at fault in the accident. Call the police. Oftentimes the police won't come out because there's no one injured and the cars are drivable, and that's the normal routine in many states. But if you can get the police out there, it's much to your advantage. For one thing, you're never really sure that the person who's giving you this information is actually this person. You're not really sure if they have insurance coverage. When the police come, there's a whole air of credibility that occurs and security that happens because now the policeman has seen how the vehicles were positioned, where the skid marks were. The policeman's going to make a recommendation as to who's at fault. You want all that information. Take pictures, have a camera in your car. Be ready to photograph not only what happened, where it happened, marks on the road. Photograph the other person who was involved or people who were involved in the accident. If they're walking around the accident scene or doing something crazy, take a picture of them. If you don't do that and you have no witnesses, even though the guy might have totally been at fault, you're going to end up in a situation where you can't prove he was at fault. He'll pay for his damages, you'll pay for your damages, and be very frustrated about it because you weren't protecting yourself after the accident occurred.